We are in need of a larger number of skilled workers as compared to more scholars. Full stop. We have to work right from now to realize these three objectives, and so we need today hundreds of thousands of skilled technicians. Full stop. It is my sincere view that our educational institutions should now start laying more emphasis on technical skill. Full stop. If this is done, much of the imbalance in educational system would disappear. Full stop. There should be arrangements in universities for every kind of research, and practically there should be arrangements for that type of research which is related to problems of the region in which that university is situated. Full stop. Our universities have not so far assumed this role in our lives. Full stop. But I am convinced they cannot succeed and cannot be useful for our people without doing so. Full stop. Dear friend, I am glad, you asked me to advise about the opening of a bank account, and I will gladly give you all the help I can. Full stop.